Hi, welcome back students. We are discussing triangle. In the previous section we discussed about exercise point 2 up to 4th question. So today's section I am going to discuss about the next problem, that is a fifth one. So what they given fifth one? The triangle ABC and DBC are the two isosceles triangle on a same base BC. So here two triangle are there, isosceles triangle on a same base BC. BC is the common to both triangle. So here one triangle ABC and another triangle BDC. So these two triangle are isosceles triangle. It means the two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. Here also BD is equal to CD. The two sides are equal in these two triangle. Right? Show that the angle ABC, so this angle, and is equal to angle ACD. So we want to show these two triangle angles are equal. Let me solve here. So let join AD. So here we want to join AD. So I will join here. So now here we framed two triangle. One is ABD, another one is ACD. Two triangle are there. So let in a triangle ABD and a triangle ACD. So in these two triangle we have AB is equal to AC given, because ABCD is a isosceles triangle. So AB is equal to AC given, and another one BD is equal to DC. It is also given. It is a isosceles triangle, right? And now AD is equal to AD, common side. So in these two triangle, the corresponding three sides are equal. It means that these two triangle are congruent to each other. So therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to the triangle ACD by side rule. So these two triangle are congruent to each other, means their corresponding parts are equal, right? So angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. So angle ABD is equal to angle ACD by CPCT, corresponding part of a congruent triangle. Well students, the next problem, sixth one. Triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. Triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. They given these two are equal. And side AB is produced up to D. So it is produced up to D such that AD is equal to B. AB is equal to AD. So they given these two are equal. It means these three sides are equal to each other, right? And show that angle BCD is a right angle. Angle BCD is a right angle. It means we want to show this angle is a 90 degree, right? So let me solve here. So first write down, in a triangle ABC, given that AB is equal to AC. So in a triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. It means equal side opposite angles are equal. Angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. So angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. So reason, angle opposite to equal side are equal, right? So now another triangle ADC. Now in a triangle ADC, so here also they given AD is equal to AC. So these two sides are equal, means these two angles are equal. the angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. So here also there is an angle opposite to equal sides are equal, right? So now in a triangle BCD, in a triangle BCD, so apply angle sum property. It means the sum of these three angle is a 180. So angle DBC plus angle BCD plus angle CDB is equal to 180. Angle sum property of a triangle, right? So now angle DBC as it is, right? So plus angle BCD, we can write angle BCA and DCA, right? So angle BCA plus angle DCA plus this one as it is, angle CDB is equal to 180, right? So now instead of angle ABC is equal to, we can write angle BCA because these two angles are equal. So angle BCA plus angle BCA plus, so here angle DCA as it is, angle DCA as it is plus angle CDB. Instead of angle CDB, we can write angle DCA because these two angles are equal. So angle DCA is equal to 180 as it is. So now here, see here, angle BCA and angle BCA, sum of these two is 2 angle BCA plus here also angle DCA, 2 angle DCA is equal to 180. So take 2 common, angle BCA plus angle DCA is equal to 180, right? So sum of these two angles, see here, angle BCA plus angle DCA, it means angle BCD. So 2 angle of BCD is equal to 180. Is it clear? So 2 goes that side means it become a division. The angle BCD is equal to 180 divided by 2. This is equal to 90 degree. So therefore angle BCD is equal to 90 degree. So that is angle BCD is right angle. Right angle. Is it clear? Students, next question is 7th one. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is a 90 degree. ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle A is a 90 degree. And AB is equal to AC. They given here AB is equal to AC. These two sides are equal. Find the angle B and C. So we want to find out here angle B and C. So first write down what they given. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC given. AB is equal to AC. These two sides are equal. In a triangle, two sides are equal means their opposite angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle C. So write down angle B is equal to angle C. Reason angle opposite to equal side of a triangle are equal. So is it clear? So these two angles are equal. So now in a triangle ABC, so apply angle sum property. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle sum property of a triangle, right? So now here angle A they given 90 degree, they only given, plus angle B is equal to angle C. Instead of angle B, write down as it is. Instead of C we can write angle B only. This is equal to 180 because these two are equal, right? So 2 angle of B is equal to 180 minus 90. It comes in RHS side, it become a minus. So here the 2 angle of B is equal to 90, right? Then the angle B is equal to 90 by 2 comes here, divide. This become 45, right? So here angle B is equal to 45, and also we proved here angle B is equal to angle C. So therefore angle C is also 45, right? Well students, the last problem here one, show that the angles of an equilateral triangles are 60 degree each. So here we want to show that equilateral triangle, the interior angles are 60 degree, right? So here ABCD is a equilateral triangle and all sides are equal here, right? So let me solve here. Let ABC is a equilateral triangle, right? So that is AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. So all sides are equal. So now AB is equal to AC. I will consider AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. So these two sides are equal means their opposite angles are equal. So that is angle B is equal to angle C. Write down reason. Angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal, right? So also AC is equal to AB, AC is equal to BC. So these two sides are equal means their opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle B, angle A is equal to angle B. So here also reason angle opposite to equal sides are equal, right? So now we are, so therefore angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. See here, angle A is equal to B, B is equal to C. These three angles are equal, right? So in a triangle ABC, angle sum property, apply angle sum property. This become angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Reason angle sum property of a triangle, right? So already we know that these three angles are equal. Angle A, B, C. Angle A is equal to B, angle B is equal to C. So instead of these three we can write angle A as it is. So angle B, instead of angle B we can write angle A, plus instead of angle C we can write angle A. This is equal to 180. So A, make this sum become 3A is equal to 180. So angle A is equal to 180 divided by 3. So this become 60 degree. So angle A is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to 60 degree. So in a isosceles triangle, each angle equal to 60 degree, right? So this is all about your exercise point 2.